I can't believe that didn't work out. I'm so mad. Hi friends, I'm Erin and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited. We're redoing, we're making over, getting rid of all of the ugliness of my bathroom. We're going for a mid-century modern boho vibe, just like the rest of our apartment. If you notice from my kitchen video, there is this navy color, and we really have that navy color going throughout our whole apartment. We're gonna do two main things. We're gonna make this navy with some vinyl contact paper. Am I looking at myself the whole time? Oh, dang it. And we're gonna do kind of a statement wall with peel and stick subway tiles.
Little did she know.
We're gonna do some stuff. Okay, let's get to it. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of the dresser, that thing. We've already taken everything out. I've done a whole video about reorganizing my bathroom. So we're gonna get it out of the way and make room for everything else. So we're just gonna lightly sand it and then prime and then spray paint. Great. I don't think you have to buy all new stuff when decorating, so we're repurposing the trash can and toilet paper holder by spray painting them. Make sure to clean and sand before painting. Aw, look at my husband being sweet. Since it's an apartment, everything has to be renter friendly, right? So I want to frame out this mirror. I wanted to initially do that with frames and Velcro, but I knew that would be expensive. And I saw Living to DIY with Rachel Metz do it with molding. And molding is super cheap, so I'm gonna spray paint this, put some Velcro on, and then frame the mirror out. This, what, can you see it? This is for the sink, the vinyl that'll go over the sink. Now we're gonna put the vinyl on this vanity. So all the brown, ugly stuff is gonna be cute and blue. We're gonna take these knobs off and change them into some cute brass hardware. Okay, so we got some contact paper here. I've never used this before, especially not this brand, so we'll see how it goes. The idea is that you just peel this off, stick it on, and smooth out all the air bubbles. So it should be easy. We'll see. Online says it's also removable, but they also said it was pretty heavy duty, so you might want to use a hair dryer when you take it off, if you're ever gonna do this. Okay. This is heavy duty. I probably could measure this and it would be easier, but that's not how I roll. Let's try to start over here. X-Acto knife time. This is gonna take forever. It's gonna be worth it though, right? Okay, so I've run into some hiccups. It's a lot harder than I thought it was, especially when there's more than a flat surface. So I've enlisted Mitchell's help.
Yeah.
Yay! So we ran into some issues when it was like a full sheet, it wouldn't go onto the curves. What we're doing now is we're taking very precise measurements and doing it by strips. Okay friends, the vanity took a lot longer covering it with contact paper than I thought it would. I'm so thankful to my husband Mitch for helping me. We basically had to do it piece by piece. I'm going to put the doors back on and put the new knobs on, and that's gonna be the end of day one. Woo! We are on day 2 and I'm in like loungewear pajama pants because I can't be bothered to do any more work in regular clothes. The sink is finished. Okay, the sink took way too long yesterday, but like, look how cute. Who is she? And this is probably gonna be more like farmhouse modern boho than I was expecting, but it still looks cute. The next step we're gonna do is subway tiles on the walls. Let's get started. So one more thing on this contact paper, I would not recommend it if you have a lot of divots. This kind of stuff, because we had to do it like piece by piece. And while from far away it's very forgiving, but you do have the little lines and everything. So just something to keep in mind. And also it was really hard, but it looks great. Subway tiles. I'm gonna put them up halfway to the wall. One, the wall is wonky. It's not straight. There are no straight lines here. 2, so that means this has become weird, and I'm also not good at precision, so great. We're gonna mess this up a little bit and try and straighten it out, and it will be covered by some furniture, so we should be okay. This sucks. It's not right. Here you go. Cool. It ripped off like all of the paint. Look at this. I'm gonna try and sand it and then paint back over it with what we have. But like, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that the whole wall up and then have to, no, this, I don't know if this would be renter friendly. Just an FYI. I mean, it's probably the quality of the paint and how old this building is, but still. I can't believe that didn't work out. I'm so mad and bummed. But I guess the bright side is I don't have to work as hard. Let's move on. We're gonna put Velcro on our molding that I painted earlier, and then we're gonna put it on the mirror to create that frame. And so instead of a builder's grade ugly mirror, we're gonna have a framed out mirror. Let's see if that works. After having a little mental breakdown and a cry because the framing went awry because I got the measurements wrong, we're gonna move on to something easier while my husband helps me out and cuts the right measurements. Okay, so let's move on to something easier like shower curtain hooks. Yay! Maybe I can do that. So these are the new ones. I did it. I painted these little guys black, and now I'm gonna screw them right back into where they were before. I got rid of the dresser, but I still wanted something to put our clothes on or whatever we're using for that day. So I got some IKEA furniture and I built a bench. This is where we noticed we were getting smudges on the bench from the spray paint that we used, and it wouldn't wash off, so we got some gloves. So I'm gonna bring it in. Ooh, wow. Okay, so this project has given me a lot of grief. We found the best way to do it is to cut the Velcro into small strips, put it on the mirror, and then put the molding onto the sticky part of the Velcro. And now we're gonna go to finishing touches. Okay friends, are you ready for the reveal? Oh nice, I got paint on my hands. Getting dirty. Okay, here we go. We did it! This makeover was long and much harder than I thought, but we did it. I look at it and I think there's still room for improvement, but I think I'm done for right now. I think this is a big difference and I'm happy with it. Right, Sire? Are you happy with it? Okay friends, if you like this video, please like, and if you want to see more makeover videos, subscribe. I'll be doing my bedroom soon, and stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bye!